Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge A-Level Information Technology Paper 4 Advanced Practical for the year October-November 2021. I'm going to do the Mailmerge task, which is task 5. All other tasks are done and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. So this is task 5. The supplies.csv file contains details of medical supplies. Use this list to create a data source for a mail merge. Save the data source as supplies data followed by your center number and candidate number. Use the data source to mail merge letter for storage boxes for sterile bandages. So first let's open the data file, which is supplies. So this is the required data. So we need to make the data ready for only the storage boxes for sterile bandages. Only for sterile bandages we need this. So let's filter this data. Click on data, filter. On description, you can go for text filters, contains, sterile, and the description contains bandage. We have to create an evidence document to include screenshots of a selection method that are not obvious from the files we create. So let's open a Word document for the evidence. So I'll take a screenshot of this one. Let's paste it here. Now when we give OK, you get all the description which contains the word bandage and sterile. But here there is one problem. There are some bandages which are non-sterile. So we need to remove that also. So let's copy this data to another file. Paste it here. Now I will do the filter once more. Go to data, filter, and the description does not contain non-sterile. There is a hyphen between non and sterile. Just give OK. So this is the required data. We have to make sure the selection method is given in the evidence document. So these are the selection methods. We can save this evidence document. So this is your required data. And we need to save the required data as supplies data followed by your center number and candidate number. So let's save this file, save as, inside your examination folder, supplies data followed by your center number and candidate number. Save this. You can close all other files. Use this data source to mail merge labels for storage boxes. So this is our evidence document. You can save this. task 5, selection methods. Let's save this. In the examination folder. Evidence followed by your center number and candidate number. Now we need to create labels which are given like this. These are the requirements for the labels. Open a Word document. Go to Mailings, start Mailmerge, click on Labels. We need to create a new label. So click on New Label. Give a new name. I'm giving N21. It contains 15 per page. The page size is landscape A4. So let's set the A4 landscape. The height is 3.5 centimeter and the width is 9 centimeter for the label. So the height is 3.5, width is 9, number across, that is the number of columns is 3 and number of rows is 5. Now let's give the vertical pitch as the same as the height 3.5 and horizontal pitch same as the width, that is 9. Give OK and then give OK. So we got the labels. You can see this is the table. Just select this. This is the label. Let's give borders. Click on Home. You can give all borders. Show the margins and make sure all the borders are visible. So now these are the required labels. Now we need to create the label this way. Merge only the labels for sterile bandages. They must look like this. The labels format is this way. So let's click on Mailings. Select recipients. Let's link the data source. Go to Use an existing list. In your examination folder, supplies data, select. So it's linked now. Give OK. Now you can see the text code must be typed before inserting the code. So let's type code here. Then insert the data stock code. Next we have to show the description in a box. So let's insert description. Then we need units per case. That should be inserted, units per case. You can see this code and units per case are in bold. Let's set that as bold. The description should be inside a box. So I'll draw a rectangle above the description. Now go to Format, go to the Shape Fill, give No Fill, and shape outline black color. Labels for bandages with more than 100 units per case must also display the text split case, which must be bold and red. So after this, click on mailings, click on rules, if then else. If units per case greater than 100, we have to display split case. Give OK. The code is inserted. Just right click, toggle field codes. You can see the code. Select it on home tab, make it bold and red color. Let's make the complete size little more bigger. So our label is ready. So let's update the labels. Click on mailings, update labels. Let's check whether it's working. Click on finish and merge, edit individual documents, give OK. So you can see these are the required labels. Whichever is empty, you can just remove it. So these are the required labels. So let's save the documents. So this is the merge document, which must be saved as supplies merge doc followed by your center number and candidate number. So file, save as supplies merge doc followed by your candidate number and center number. So this is your merge document, and we have the labels with all the data displayed. Let's save this as, the name is supplies labels followed by your center number and candidate number. This is the end of the Mailmerge task. You can find the link for other tasks in the description. Thank you for now.